What's the difference between traffic and leads in Google Ads? Okay, this is super important. Traffic is just people visiting your website from your ads. Think of it like a crowd showing up at your store. Leads, though, are different. That's when those visitors actually do something that shows they're interested, like filling out a form, making a call, or booking an appointment. They're like customers asking for specific help. Traffic is quantity, leads are intent. You want people ready to engage, not just browse. How do I set up Google Ads to track actual leads? This is your number one step. Forget clicks for a second. You need to set up conversion tracking. This means telling Google Ads exactly when someone becomes a lead. Are they filling out your contact us form? Well, great. Track that. Calling a specific phone number? You need to track that as well. Downloading your guide? Yes, track that too. It's how you see your ad spend directly turning into potential customers. So don't skip this step. What kind of keywords get me more leads on Google Ads? Stop bidding on super general stuff. Instead, go for long tail and buyer intent keywords. Think phrases people type when they're ready to buy or inquire. Instead of just bidding for plumber, try emergency plumber in London or cost to replace kitchen faucet. Look for words like higher, best, quotation, or near me. These people are further down the path and way more likely to become a lead. How can my landing page convert more Google Ads visitors into leads? Your landing page is where the magic happens. First, make sure it matches your ad's message perfectly. No surprises. Keep it super clean, remove extra navigation, and put your lead form right at the top, which is easy to see. Highlight your main benefit immediately. Add trust signals like testimonials and make sure it loads super fast on a mobile phone. Distraction-free is key. How much should a small business spend on Google Ads for leads? There's no magic number, but most small businesses start between $500 to $2,000 a month. The real trick is defining your target cost per lead. What can you afford to pay for each new inquiry? Start with a budget you're comfortable with. Track everything diligently and only scale up when you see those solid leads coming in consistently. It's all about smart spending, not just big spending.